having stress is okay, but not coming out of stress is something which is not okay. The challenge is not about having stress. We all have stress at some level. If someone says, I want to be rid of stress, I don't think so it is happening anywhere near your life right now. But what you can do is to how to overcome that stress. One of my friends was stressful all day. Basically, he was feeling very low. He was feeling very negative all the time, and because of the work pressure, he wanted to just be relaxed, but he couldn't be. So he just gave me a call and said, "Hello Aditya, how are you?" And I said, "Hi, it's a long time since we spoke." He said, "You have become a life coach and I wanted some help from you, buddy." So obviously I said, "Yeah, sure, tell me." He told me in detail about how his life is very, very puzzlesome, how in his family he is always finding things very stressful, how in office he is always finding things very stressful. He told me the entire issue that he was facing. And then I asked him that you are telling me how you are stressful, I agree. But have you ever asked yourself, how can I come out of the stress? That is the question. See, it is again a thought process. One is the victim thought process. I am stressful, I am having so much of a problem, I am having so much of issues. And the second is the solution mindset, where you ask yourself, how can I come out of it? What to do? So he had taken one step. He had called me, and it's not because I'm a life coach. Even if you want to call someone who is not a coach, he has taken that one step towards changing himself because he wanted to come out of it. So that is a very good progress from always thinking that I am stressful to actually come to a point where you want to come out of stress. So what are the questions he asked himself now? What is making me stressful? Very important question. How am I going to deal with it? How would I feel if I was not stressful? What will make me feel like that? How important is it for me to feel like that? See, these are the questions you are asking yourself to come out of that stress. Once you have the answer, you have started working on it. For example, I am feeling very stressful in my office. Why? Because of low sales. Right now it's COVID, sale is low. So how to come out of it? The question is feeling low helping me? What will help me? What will help me is making a better analysis of my work or focusing on something else right now if I cannot do anything about this. For example, I started focusing on my health during this lockdown. I couldn't do something about my business right now. It was in lockdown. So instead of taking stress about what to do in my business, I started asking myself what to do other than my business. In my business, I am feeling stressed, but how can I relieve that stress in some other way? And this thus came up the answer that I should focus on things that I've never focused on for a very long time. This is the way you ask yourself questions. If you have a question that will make you find answers, you have a question which will give you solutions. If you have a question that will make you feel the victim, you will remain a victim. So, the next time you feel stressed, the next time you realize that you are feeling stressed, ask yourself questions which will help you find good solutions to come out of that stress.